and welcome back to Craugust Day 2. Today I'm going to be making some earrings, and when I was crafting this, I was watching Star Wars with my friends. Can you believe I have never seen it before? So this is going to be a voiceover, and we're just going to see different styles of videos throughout this month because I'm crafting when I can and when I feel like it. But anyway, we are taking these little loops, and I've made similar styles of earrings before with different designs and stuff. But if you guys remember, on day 1 I said that I wanted to make something colorful, a little bit summery, and I'm using the new Patico pigments. Actually, they aren't new, they're limited. I don't know, but they're these tiny little bottles of pigments, but the colors are very pretty. So I'm taking a little bit of UV resin here, and then I believe I used the colors, I want to say lime green and salmon pink, and I thought they were a little bit nicer, a little bit of a change from the basic colors that I use. But I did end up mixing in a little bit of pink and a dot of green later on. But as you can see, the salmon pink is a little more reddish than pink, and I feel like I maybe could have put a little more pigment in, but I didn't want it to be too bright. I wanted it to be kind of a cool, watery look, if that even makes sense. But yeah, again, simple pieces, but I am very happy with the end look. The green pigment had some flecks of pigment in it, and I didn't completely remove all the air bubbles, so it's not as translucent and glossy as I'd hoped, but that'll be something to work on in future videos. But here I am. I decided to not pour the green and pink or red at the same time because I didn't want them to blend at all. So I went in with the green first and made the little rind part and cured it, and then I domed it a few times, flipped it over, domed it, so it had a little bit of, well, doming going on. And then I went in with the red, and then I went in with a coat of clear resin on both sides to even it out and make it look nice and juicy. That's pretty much all there is to it for this video, and you guys will see me finish it up. But tomorrow, I still don't know what I'm gonna make. Actually, it is today for me when you're seeing this video, but anyway, I would like to make these earrings in different color combinations. Let me know what some of your favorite color combos are, and I will try them out. But I will see you in the next Craugust video. And I do have vlogs and some doggo videos over on my toy channel, toy videos as well, and I have been streaming on and off on Twitch. Would love to see you there, and on Discord, which is where we have, I think that's where all the fun goes down. So I will see you guys in all of those places.